right. Next, let's go get this fuel. I think I'm gonna angle you a little bit that way some so you can see more what's going on. Like I said, I'm just getting back into the truck. I threw all my stuff in here. Right, and we are out of here. We're gonna go grab some fuel, which we're right next to the fuel station, which is cool. Not too far. Grab some fuel so we can be good. Head out. Can you see that? What's going on over here? Nah, you can't see it. Too bad. I can show you though. Let's see. See that? I gotta wait for all those people to come. And then I'm gonna go all the way over there. So let's point you back over here a little bit. There you go. Let's go, people. They got a stoplight, but I'm gonna wait till he goes, and then I'm gonna go. Make my turn. And I got another turn, making a left-hand turn right here. I'm gonna make it because those guys are trucks and I'm already moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn. There we go. So now we're in line. I'm gonna wait for all these guys to get themselves together. And this is how it is every time we're trying to get fuel. You usually don't want to be, you want to pick one and just stay there. But because this is such a small fuel station, I want to go ahead and let my options be open. Because you got the guy right there with the trusses. I don't see him fueling. The guy with the cars right here, he just got back into his vehicle. See, now he's pulling up. So that's why I was waiting on to see who was gonna be first. Usually you don't wanna do that, but because it's a small location and there's only one truck that can come through at a time anyways, you wanna just go ahead and take your time. That way you're not clogging up the space. Cause yeah, I'm clogging it up for one person, but I'm not clogging it up for everybody, cause I'll be able to move quicker than end up waiting for one person, you know? All right, I'll be back.